How to add a setup bot to your Discord server. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily add a setup bot that sets up channels and other roles on your Discord server. First thing first, go ahead and open up a web browser. Now you're going to go to top.gg. Here you'll be able to find all of the Discord bots that you can add on your Discord server. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for a bot called setup bot. And if you're able to find the bot here, that's great. There are a lot of bots, but you can find one on the description. You can just click on the link and you'll find this bot right here. So this is the bot right here. What you're going to do is click on invite. And once you do that, on your other tab, Discord will open up. Make sure you're signed in and just choose what server you want to add it to. I only have my one server, so I'm just going to add it to this. Now click on authorize, and you're going to have to complete a quick CAPTCHA. So click on I'm a human. Once that is done, your setup bot will be added to your Discord server. Now, all you have to do here is go to your Discord server. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on invite setup bot. And once that is done, you could do the same thing, keep scrolling, click on continue and authorize. So once you go to your server, so simply go ahead and search for your Discord and head over to your Discord server. Now see if the bot has been added to your server or not. So here I've got the bot and I'm just going to go to my server now. So I'm going to go to general chat. And as you can see here, the setup bot is here. All you have to do is type in /setup, hit enter, and the setup bot will automatically ask you questions and you can answer them to set up your server. So if you want to set up your server, this may override existing rules and channels. Tap on yes. Now, would you like to create basic channels? Tap on yes. And it will automatically create basic channels like rules, announcements, voice channels. If you want staff roles, tap yes, and it will manage all of the permissions for you. It won't be like a full-fledged Discord server where there are hours put into it, but it will just help you get started. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.